thinking introductions. This is an introduction to design thinking class. And yep, I've seen a lot of familiar face, the one who also wear me, 2 or 3 of you. Awesome, thank you so much. It's all right, just a chill sessions, and we know it. Last week, I think I do most of the talking, boring abis, sir. Yes, that's always been like the first week of any classes. Usually the lecturer will inform some of the ground rule, inform some information and those kind of a thing. But then again, on the second week and everything, hey, you're already in, yeah, undergraduate student. So most likely I'm going to hand over the talking and speaking to you on the second stage, right? So, yeah, no, sir, berarti kita harus ngapain, sir? No. Again, this is introduction type of innovation or design thinking course. In that sense, most likely we're going to fill this class with discussion and so forth. So that's the reason we're actually gathering on the second day, and we're going to have a third day. Sir, ngapain aja sih, sir? Kok ngapain ada 3 sih, sir? Yeah, so if you still remember last week, let me just, I don't know whether you prefer a full screen or not. Let me just use a full screen for you. So we already have like this, oops, sorry, that was a bit of typo, but yeah, it's already removed, yeah. So September 10th, that last week, 10 days ago, we're discussing about creating your group. I'm actually sharing a little bit about those kind of design thinking basic and concept, and followed by, this is the second day, and this is where we can actually try to solve the problem. So what do you mean, sir? You gave us assignment of collecting problem. Exactly, collecting problem and some supporting data or information. Even if you have go extra mile and get a solution, let's see. That's the whole session for today. So what is the last session, sir? The last session will be you try to sell your idea. What does it mean, sir? So it means it will be a competition based for the 5 groups to actually finally present the whole thing, the whole ordeal from the problem that you spot until the, what do you call it, the idea that you propose until your approach to that problem. So that's what expected within these 3 days. So sir, kita yang mana, sir? We're on the green. So if you still remember last week, I asked you to do this 1-pager information. It can be a video, it can be PPT, it can be a Word document, it can be whatever float your boat. Some of you actually creating Prezi already contact me. Awesome. I love it. Yeah, on those kind of a thing. But the main idea for today, we just try to find a problem. You share the problem to me. Not your personal life, not about your simping or your shipping someone. I don't get. Nah, just kidding. I ship a lot. Nah, just kidding. No, don't. It's being recorded. Oh, yeah, oh my God. Oh, sorry. I always do that kind of stuff in my classes. Right. So I just want to hear about those problems that you have identified. Later on this class as well, thanks, Bel, we're going to actually, sir, kita harus sampai wireframe ya. Oh, those kind of a high-tech gadget gizmo. Doesn't always have to be. We have mentioned that you have to quote unquote create some apps, create some system, create some idea, but the end delivery doesn't have to be a real apps. It can be a lo-fi app, just like the following picture that I have shared with you guys. So this is day 2. You can read it yourself there. The main idea for you to create some prototype. It's put is Marvel prototype. Well, that's an ideal one, but not everyone from CSIS, not everyone from graphic design, from fashion, not everyone from IBBMM or IAF, right? So each one of us have, within that group, each one of you have those kind of a strength and weaknesses. And obviously not everyone can do a Marvel prototype. I don't know. I can do just a little bit. I'm not good at it, so yeah, skip. So what you can do is actually creating this kind of a solution. You can create some, I don't know, if you want to create a video, if you want to create some, it's like a show and tell, you know? So you want to show something like, oh, this is the box that contain all the answers or things that you have to do, blah, blah, blah. And you just create it out of a used cardboard or something like that. It's totally fine. It's like a show and tell. Sell your idea. Why? Because at the end of this sequence of course, yeah, you're going to have to present it for the sake of your group. Yay. And usually I'm making it like competition based, and I'm going to mention who's the winner from this class, and usually that information go to Cider. Who's Cider again, sir? Cider is like the entrepreneurial center here in Binus Senayan. Yeah, but the main idea, I'm going to share it with Cider. So I don't know whether they have a gift or not. I'm sorry, I haven't checked, but the main idea, at least when that idea can be immortalized. Let's say they're going to take a note of the idea. Even usually they will ask you. They will ask you for your idea. Usually the winner, they're going to ask you for the idea, and then they're going to put it in a video for your junior or even for the other classes after this. So it's quite an honor if you ask me. Right. So day 2. I'm not the talker here. I'm not really the presenter guy for today. It should be you guys. Again, sir harus resmi ya, sir harus present yang ngeri-ngeri. No. Again, these are all your friend. Some of you already turn on your video as well, while the other gue nggak tahu antara tiduran atau apa. Don't be Ahmad, remember. But not Ahmad Syamil, that's a different story. Sorry, bad IV jokes. Right, so Vini udah ngakak ya. Alright, so for now, the main idea, I want to hear a problem from every group, from each and every group. We have like 5 group in my class. Sir, I haven't got a group. Tell me, and I'm going to quote unquote sell you to those groups. So hopefully you can be a good member for that group. Sir, tadi for your class like 5 to 6 or 7 students, yes, sir. It's fine. I don't really have that kind of a strict regulation, but at least when you in that group, you have to share not only your idea, but I mean your phone number, your information, and you join into the group chat, either in Discord, Line, WA, whatever, Telegram, whatever floats your boat, and you try to have a discussions there. So that's the opening for me. I just want to hear from you guys a very short presentation. Let's say you just tell a little bit of story about your idea, some brief information. I know today has been a long day for all of you, for all of the freshmen, not only for the FL as well. Tuh kayak FL udah capek, Kenji udah mau pingsan tuh kayaknya. Tuh kayaknya Pumanya udah kebalik. His Puma cat is going to be like Fuma. You know that memes, right? Right. Sorry about that. So yeah, the main idea, you just need to share about the story, and I'm going to give you some. Hey, Ashley, I'm going to share some of my feedback and knowledge. And before you even jump, sir, kita udah boleh ada ide nggak atau apa? I'm going to share you something after this. Yeah, I'm going to explain to you about something. But that's for later. That's for the 24th. Gila, sir, 24th ada lagi. Remember, 24th is just like the full presentation. For now, it's like a teaser. One of those No Way Home type of a teaser. One of those Hawkeye, that new James Bond or whatever. I'm so hyped for the new Ghostbuster. But, well, it's slow. Right. So, for now, any group volunteer, it doesn't have to be like, oh, sir, group I belum lengkap. It's okay. I just want to hear from a representation of the group. Sir, all of us have to present. It's like a show and tell. So one of you share the slideshow, one of you share the prezi, one of you share the video, one of you share the Word document, PPT, whatever. And then while the other, you can actually listen to the presenter, and later you can jump in whenever you want. Remember, this is a very, very, very informal session. Jadi santai aja. Let me give you an example. Like for example, me, I'm from group 1 and my idea is about, apaan ya? Belum mikir lagi. How to fight a boredom during the Zoom meeting. So I don't know, for example, me, I'm going to make it a gamification. So what do you mean? So let's say I'm the presenter. So from my group, we have a problem. Yeah, you know those memes, like on the Zoom, usually even know who's actually behind those monitor. Even in some cases, gue pernah lumayan ada student, I already call her like, what? And suddenly it was her sister. Big sis lagi sebentar, sir, lagi ke depan. What? Seriously, but it's cute though. So, so how to fight this? This is a real one. This is from my previous entrepreneurship hatchery. Or is there any Mabel here? Or Mabel is not joining in my class in this session, but it's okay. For example, if I'm mistaken, it was from my previous project hatchery. They create a gamification, bikin game. Jadi kayak bikin badge. Kalau lo di Zoom terus lo rajin segala macam, your XP and everything is getting higher. Or you get even a higher chance of landing a good lecturer, the SSR1 bintang 6 dibanding dapatnya yang oops. Alright. So just an example. So you can actually do that kind of presentation. Sir, you don't have a slide. Sorry about that. I haven't prepared. But usually I prepared. Today been a very busy day. Sorry about that. I went to the inaugurasi and also joining some of your FL also see me there. Right. So any volunteer from any group. Again, informal session. You use your, sir, I'm not really good with my English. Try it. In here, as you can hear, I'm not really a perfect English speaker. I'm a native speaker, as you can see. But at least I'm not using my ancestor type of a, how do I say it, slang. So this, hi, please go. I don't want to do that. It's just racist. Right. So, but I have a bad Japanese. I have a bad Singlish. I have a bad Janglish. So you don't want to hear me doing that. Sorry. But so any any volunteer, any group, I'm going to give the board to you guys. Any volunteer for the first stage? Santai ya, seriously santai. So my slide is not good. My slide is haven't finished. I don't want to see a finished slide. I want to see the problem that you highlight and some backup data. I want to hear that. That's it. Boleh pakai, can we use the same slide? Can we use the same document for Friday? Yes, please. But this one is obviously unfinished. It's all right. I want to hear that. I want to see that. Right. Any volunteer? Any group volunteer? Santai. And you can also discuss, weh, ditanyain weh, buruan weh. Siapa nih weh? Udah siap belum? It's all right. I've been a student myself, so I totally understand. Slide-nya di dia weh. It's all right. Just contact them. Hopefully they can join as soon as possible. You just, oops, sorry about that. You can just prepare. I'm sorry, by the way, today I have to do it from my home, my studio. So yeah, just some crazy day for me today. Right. So any volunteer, anyone want to do that at the first start? Again, no grading. You see, I got no. Usually, my student will always notice me using this tablet. That's for the grading part. But obviously, this one is not grading. I won't be judging it, and I won't even judge. Why? Because I'm just going to give you a feedback based on your idea. Nanti dirubah semua, sir. No, we just try to build from whatever we already got. So, any volunteer, group 1 till 5. Sir, I lupa group I. Okay, so that's your problem. So I'm just going to wait for a minute, and after that, I'm going to share the blame with the FL. So I'm going to ask the FL to select a random group. See, I'm a bad lecturer. Omar. Gue yang kemarin namanya keren, BMM siapa sih? Gue lupa. Ayman, that's the one. Ayman.
Yeah.
See, so he's coming. No, just kidding. I'm just checking. Or for the lady, Belle, ayo. Or I don't know, the one who also contact me previously, Fania, thank you so much. Yeah, Dava and her, and his meme cat, Keisha, whoever, Nino, whatever. I mean, again, this is totally santai session. I'm just going to give you a feedback. This is how we do it in a real life class, honestly speaking. Usually, first, you can double check to your FL, to your Kak. Yeah, usually the first week, I'm the one who's talking a lot, berbusa gitu ya. And second, third week, usually just going to be you doing some of the activities. I'm just going to facilitate. The main function of a lecturer is not to teach, not to lecture you, perhaps educate, but I'm a bad educator, so I'm just going to say I'm going to facilitate you guys, honestly. Right? Siapa aja silakan. Anyone, whoever. Before I give the chance for your FL, for your Kak, to do some random stuff tuh. Koirul kayak udah mau milih banget tuh. Koirul BMM tuh kayak ada so I don't know. Oh, kayaknya dia udah ngeliat nama siapa tuh. Oh, matanya ketemu antara Sarah atau enggak Kenji. Gue curiga Kenji sih, man. Dude. Bruh. Right. So yeah, any volunteer before I even ask? Again, nggak perlu lama ya, bukan sir udah jadi. No. This is just a presentation ya. Zaki is also joining with his cool hat. Okay, Belle. Wow, Belle. I got the eager beaver here. So yeah, Belle, I think I'm just going to shut off my ugly slide. Sorry, Bu Jube. Yang bikin Bu Jube. I have my own slide. I'm going to share you later on. But yeah, Belle, if you want to go, please, you can share your screen. You can share your whatever you want to share. And also your team. Hi team. Semua timnya Belle. I think if I'm mistaken, Belle from group, gue lupa kalian pindah-pindah ya. Group 4 or group 2 akhirnya?
I think we're group 2, if I'm not wrong.
Right. I'm sorry. I'm bad. Sometimes I'm bad remembering that. But I remember all of you. Right. So, Belle, you don't have to be it. So, Sir Belle dikorbanin, Sir. Dia dong yang present. No. Each one of you, please add to Belle's presentation. This is a group presentation. So, let's just chill and see what they got for group 2. Thank you so much, Belle.
Yes, of course. But do I have to share a document or can I just discuss it for now? What we have so far?
Even if it's an unfinished document, you can share screen, or even your friend can share screen. It's fine.
Okay, give me a second then.
Yep. Santai. just wait for a bit. I also have some idea that I want to convey to each of the group. Also, I don't know, FL udah pada lulus PH belum? If you haven't, so yeah, it's going to be fruitful as well for you. Some of you I saw from Pak Haris class ya, ada yang from Hendrik's class, Valentina's class. Oh, sorry, Aurel is entering the room. Here come a new challenger, right? So yeah, welcome again. This is how we do it in classes. Doesn't always mean that usur nanti diomel-omelin di ini. Honestly speaking, I don't have any idea at the moment. So yeah, udah rapi banget, coy. Yeah, and Belle also contact me previously, so it's very good. Right. So the floor is yours, Belle and group 2. All of your group member, please back her up. Okay. So you can always add to her presentation. Okay. So whenever you're ready.
Okay, can everyone see?
Yep, that's good.
Okay, so the gist of it is that my group's chosen issue in society is the teen pregnancy crisis that's been rampant in the Philippines recently. You know, when I was researching about this, I found out that they're one of the most religious countries. More than 3/4 of them are baptized Catholics, if I'm not wrong. So because of that, largely in part of that reason, sexuality is a taboo topic in the country. Subsequently, it's not offered as much in the education system. It's not very comprehensive. And as a result of that, you have adolescents who are uninformed on, for example, consent, and even how things as simple as how the reproductive system works. So you get children as young as 11 getting pregnant. And again, because it's such a taboo topic and that the country is very religious, they also don't have access to contraceptives. They can't get abortions. So they have no choice but to have those children while they're still children themselves. Yep, thank you.
Excellent, excellent, Belle. Any of group 2 or Belle's group member want to add about this topic? About this, sorry, I'm going to say it, sex education. It's all right. It's not a taboo anymore. I mean, we have to talk about it, especially in a religious country. And well, you're quite lucky because I'm also an Asian ASEAN lecturer, and culture lecturer. So I can actually confirm that data is right. 78%, they're actually a strict Roman Catholic. You have a 2 main island, Luzon and Mindanao, and obviously either Muslim or Catholic, but both are actually quite strict about sex education, obviously. Anyone want to add from group 2? Ayo dong, jangan Bel doang dong. Come on, anything you want to think. Like, sir, I suka topiknya. Sir, I ngasih topiknya soalnya I lagi I don't know. Okay, so they're totally gonna take down this YouTube video. Oh, sorry. We got demonetized. No, just kidding. Right. So, so anyone else want to add from group 2 from Belle? It's very good. That's exactly the level that I want. The problem, sir. What is the reason? What is the approach? And what about Indonesia? We're going to talk about it later on. Yeah. Anyone want to add first from group 2?
Okay, I'll add something.
Thank you, Omar. Ini yang ngasih topik. Nah, just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. I always do that. Sorry about that.
Regarding the pregnancy crisis, according to the UNFPA, like 15 to 24-year-old, they can barely find any information. And at that age is where we start to, I guess, grow our future and how we want to be in the future, and being not knowing how, like, having sex and not knowing
works.
Not knowing how to like create a baby, or like how the baby goes out, it could really affect their future. And
let me LMAO first.
And being with it's like for them is like normal, but with because not many information. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Omar. We heard from the expert. No.
No.
So the guest speaker is Omar. Just kidding. No. But again, this is the first topic that we heard for today. And I must say, this is at the right level. Why, sir? Perhaps for your FL, they have experienced project hatchery. But a good question is not, if you remember Goldilocks and that three bears, honestly, yeah. I know it's such a long story, sir, yang baruan. I don't know, just take Goldilocks and three bears, right? That Goldilocks went down the forest and met Omar. No, I mean, met the house, and she actually breaks in. It's already crazy, call the police, but it's all right. They get in and they found that 3 porridge. The first porridge is too hot. Second porridge is too cold. The third porridge is oatmeal. Yuck, no. The third one is just right. So this is an example of a good idea. What do you mean, sir? A topic cannot be too hot, such as political thing. Or a topic there is 2 reasons, such as, oh, that new monument sneakers in Jakarta, who's the vandal? That's 2 reasons. That's too new. I mean, come on. Perhaps the next week, the government will say, Jakarta government, they will say, oh, it's okay lah to actually coret-coret that one. We never know. It's 2 reasons. Or it cannot be too cold like that porridge. What I mean, something that's already happened like years ago and you don't care, such as, I don't know, how to sell bubble tea. So it's like, okay, so I think everyone's already playing in that area. Or vape, you know, vaping with the mod. Perhaps nowadays in the state, in the US, in the Australia, in Europe, it's already going downhill, including Indonesia, in my opinion. I mean, don't take those kind of a too cold type of an idea. So I must say that your group 2, your idea is quite on the just right. Why? It opened for many opportunities, and at the same time, you have those kind of how do I say? You have those ambiguous, not really ambiguous, but it's like, I'm sorry, I have to say this, but from a religious country, it seems that this kind of sex education is taboo, and as a result, we got a lot of hello polisi. Okay, sorry. So I don't know. So sir, how do you approach that? It's very difficult, right? How do you actually give a solution to that problem? Yeah, obviously from this class, it's like the how to say, the idea later on, it can be an apps, it can be a system, it can be some idea that you try to sell. But let me ask you the first question. Sorry about this, but I have to ask. How did you learn about sex education? As yourself, as your friends, as your kakak, sister? If you ask me, sir, well, how do you know it? You don't want to know. It's too smarty, honestly speaking. So you know those kind of a game with tentacles? No, just kidding. I don't play that. But no, I play them. But yeah, not really. That's how I know about sex, obviously. But I don't know, my family, just an example. So sir, how do you get an idea on how to approach that problem? Empathy. So what do you mean by empathy, sir? Ask someone else. It's not, doesn't always have to be like ask your family, ask your mom, ask your dad. No. Most likely it's going to be awkward. But you have to ask yourself, your friends. So I'm sorry. I have to say it. For example, for me, honestly, sir, well, how do you know about sex education? How did you know? My family, most of them are either lecturers or doctors, and while the other is from military side and blah, 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 but they're very open about sex education. So they actually tell me when I first asked them on the elementary school, I think. But from their perspective, it's better for me to know. And they can easily say no, how do I say it? So when I try to no, just kidding. When I try to do something, I already know that that thing is going to bring me consequences. Like today, I have like 3 kids from 3 mothers. No, just kidding. No. Right. So that kind of a situation, you really have to have a human approach. I really like how group 2, you haven't, I don't know, if I ask you, so what will be your solution? What will be your solution, Omar, Bell? Yeah, what the other team members, you can pitch idea. Doesn't mean that, sir, my idea is this bad. No, I want to hear from you. Sir, make them open Steam and type in Kagura games. No, don't do that. Right. So right, but I want to hear from you guys. Any idea from the group 2?
I was thinking of like making an application and where people can download that app to learn more about sex education.
Yep, that's one of the idea, right? So you can link to that directly, which is very awesome. But then again, content and details, obviously, you don't want that to be another hub or another XXX something. right? So yes, exactly. So in that context, suka si Koirul kayaknya sambil buka hub. Udahlah kita balik ke Brazer, right? And I see that cat, right? So, but that's a very good approach. So now when we try to build the apps, obviously we don't want to have just. I'm sorry I have to bring this, but we don't want that apps to be another religious type of an apps. Perhaps that might be the problem from the very first way. Or it cannot be just too smarty as well, right? We don't need a brand new batch of Nicki Minaj. Oh, sorry, Minaj. Sorry, just an example, right? So those kind of a thing, you don't want that. So your problem, you're the problem, guys. Not just kidding. The problem is on the right level, honestly speaking. I couldn't expect more. Even honestly speaking, I think your FL, new I teach project hatchery and project hatchery, that's really on the right level. Yeah, so it has that dilemma. We call it as a dilemma. Sure, bawang banget, sir, dilemmatic. No, but that's the truth. If it's remember that too hot, too cold, and that just right porridge. If a problem is too easy to be answered, it's called as too cold. Such as, will my friend be angry if I tikung their boyfriend or girlfriend or even waifu? Or one of those his dakimakura? Obviously yes. That's an exact answer. See, even I got Aiman tiba-tiba nongol dari samping pas gue bilang dakimakura, right? So that's an example. See, ini Zaki ketawa-ketawa aja nih, right? So just an example. you cannot do something such as, does pandemic bring some bad or negative effect toward business? I mean, like, come on. You cannot create that. That's too cold. But it cannot be too hot as well, such as, just an example, will Taliban finally taking over Afghanistan? Sir, why is it hot? No, in that sense, yeah, it's actually currently happening, and the world is still checking and out case. We never know the final result. If it's too hot as well, you might have a very difficult access to get the data. So in my opinion, your topic is already on the just right. So sir, what's next? I'm going to give you some instruction to all of you, to each one of you, but after the next group presenter. I want to hear from the next group. Congrats Bel, congrats Omar, and I don't know who's ada di other team member. Ayo siapa ngaku? Siapa lagi team membernya?
Me.
Congrats. Right. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. So Janice is totally okay. You can wait. I'm sorry, I'm just referring to the chat. So no worries, Janice, they can just come back. It doesn't mean that everyone have to present, but that's what I want. I want, for example, Bell starting and Omar adding up. It can be anyone else. It can be that quiet guy that suddenly, sir, nambahin dikit is totally fine. Yeah, that one shy and quiet kid with a backpack, which is very heavy. Scary, man. No, just kidding. Right. You don't want that, especially in my class. Right. So any other presenter. Thank you so much, group 2. Bravo. I'm not sugarcoating when I say bad, good, but that one on the right level. Any other group want to share? Again, sir, kayaknya idea saya terlalu cold, terlalu hot. It's okay. Let's hear it first, and I can give you advice. Yeah. Sometimes, for example, let me give you an example. Does COVID bring a negative impact towards business in Indonesia, Jakarta? Well, duh. But then again, let's say that's your topic. But then again, I said, why don't we make it more interesting? Such as, does it have an impact on a startup? It's getting more interesting because we know that a lot of startups are actually gaining profit during this pandemic. It's not only hand sanitizer guy that actually playing with the money. No, some startup they actually thrive among this difficult period, honestly. Kayak apa, sir? Gojek, Tokped. Well, those are the obvious. But what about virtual run? Your senior is actually the owner of the biggest virtual run company or apps in Indonesia and Jakarta, Strava. Right? He's from BIS. Yeah, BIS, bangga nih ya. But yes, also there's another foundernya from BMM atau IB, gue lupa. But just an example. Just an example. You can do that. You can do a virtual run. But don't do that virtual sex something, right? So yeah, next. So any other group you want to? Yes, I already admit Brian, by the way, just in case you're wondering, Jen. Right. So any other group want to do that presentation, just like at that level, yeah. It doesn't have to be finished, doesn't have to be completed. I want to hear about problem, backup data. Yeah. This is not the class to actually see directly the final product. No. Yep. Please. buruan weh, ditanyain. Okay, at the end of the day, I'm going to have all group presenting anyway, so yeah. Again, it can be on that level. Honestly speaking, I know your life. I know currently you're also taking your phone and texting your friend and asking, so gimana nih, gimana? It's okay, it's fine. It's natural. Yeah, but like usual, I'm going to give a minute before I ask one FL to drop the bus. Or if we have a volunteer. But it's good for group 2. I really like it. Honestly. Yeah, later on you can do that apps, but I'm going to share with you how to create that apps. It's not directly, oh ntar appsnya gini aja, sir. Careful. Sometimes idea can be deceiving, honestly speaking. Come on, anyone else? Aiman, I think he left his phone somewhere. Bukan WC kan tuh? Enggak ya? Oh, thank God. It's a ceiling.
Oh.
Aiman, you want to share, Aiman? Atau siapa lain?
Maybe not.
Not
maybe
yet?
Not.
Okay, Janice, mungkin, I don't know. Keisha, usually you guys quite active. I think there's Fania, IB, Sarah. I think the same group itu tadi. Oops, sorry, my bad. Anyone else? Hannah? Anyone else want to share before I'm going to send the evilest FL that you have just from the face? It's almost a minute, guys. So that's the bad news. Group 2 already done. So either 1, 3, 4, 5. Right. If you haven't got any group, please contact, I don't know, I think I already put my number to some of you. Some of you already contact me. Thank you so much. Totally fine, totally cool. But you can also contact Kak Kenji. Hi, Kak Kenji. Seriously, you can contact Kenji Karyose. I think he got my number, or the other FL, you can ask me for my number. I'm going to give you, and all of your freshmen can contact me. Yeah, right. And wah, belum ada. Wah, it's too bad, guys. We don't have a volunteer. Thus, by the decree of the lecturer, I will ask Koirul with his evil face to select a group. 1, 3, 4, or 5 is your call.
Maybe I'll pick a group 3 to present.
Lucky number 3. Thank you so much, Koirul. Lucky number 3. Let's go number 3. Oh ya, in case, sir, I lupa grup I numbernya apaan. It's okay. Just try to how to say it. Thank you so much. Okay. Give me a minute. Sorry. Okay, I think I just replied to the wrong guy. Sorry, Janice. Tadi salah kirim. I'm going to put it to Kenji. Yes, Christian, I remember you already emailed me. Thank you so much, Christian. No worries. I'm actually contacting Kenji as we speak to make you for all of you who cannot join last week. It's totally fine. The way we're going to do it, later on, we're going to see all of the group presenting all of the problem, and later on you can select the one that interested you the most by contacting the group and ask them to if you can join. Right, group 3, please. Any group, any presenter? Kayaknya group 2 itu Aiman deh, serius. Itu yang cowok-cowok semua kan, gue inget. Ayo lo, Man. Kena lo, Man.
Enggak sih. Saya mah enggak cowok semua. Okay.
Oh yeah, sorry. So sometimes, So whoever ready, please do the presentation for the next. Just a problem, again. The faster we do this, I think the easier, the faster we're going to finish for today. So come on. Sayang, waktunya. Come on. Anyone want to present? I don't know. It doesn't have to be Aiman. I mean, it can be Jojo, Isabel, whoever you want to do. Daryl, you want to go? Again, Santai or Adinda, Janice, whoever. This is a very Santai one, or group 3. Thank you, Janice. I just read the chat as well. Sorry, I always monitor both, so also your faces. Right, so group 3, ayo siapa aja deh. Nggak usah group 3 juga nggak apa-apa deh. Koirul jahat sih group 3. Whoever, come on. Again, just at that level. But if you haven't got the topic, it might be a problem because as we know it, by Friday, you have to address the problem. If you don't have any problem, I have bad news for you. That means you really need to do something. Right, come on. Just anything. It doesn't have to be like, kayaknya grup I belum setuju semua, sir. It's okay. Waduh, udah langsung 2. Sorry. Right, so Aurel or Janice, I think you guys are from a different group, right?
Same group, sir.
Oh, same group. Okay, my bad. Kalian bukan grup 3 tapi kalau nggak salah.
Sorry, Pak.
Sorry.
Pak panggil, sir.
It's okay, sir. That's only for, nggak, sir is okay, but don't call my name with that, sir. That's the reason Ari Margiono mentioned that. That's all right. You don't have to care about it. Right. Thank you so much, Aurel, Janice. So if you want to present, I'm going to give the floor for you.
Janice, can you help me share the screen?
Everyone can share screen. This is the setting for everyone. Tenang, Aurel.
Should we just tell the problem or both the solution and the problem?
Just the problem for now. I'm going to explain. I'm going to ask you about the solution, obviously, but I want to hear about the problem first.
Thank you, Janice.
Can you guys see it?
Yep, very clear.
So we're from group 1. There is me, Janice, Bayu, Dava, Farelino, and Adinda Evelyn. Yeah. We choose this problem because this is a common issue for high school students, especially. Personally, for me, it was such a struggle for me to choose the major for my university. It took a lot of time, a lot of effort, and it costs money too, because my father spent quite a sum of money to bring me to a test, like test minat bakat, kind of like that. So yeah, the issue is, first I'll open the document. So the problem is the struggle of prospective students in choosing their unique choice. These app, the SDG goals that this app corresponds to is the quality education. So the purpose of this app is for time saving and equip students with information that they require so they'll be fully prepared to face them, because high school students stress and worry a lot about their future. They, some of them take gap year because they have no idea what major they should take. And yeah, we want to solve the problem of students carelessly picking their major or ikutan and then resulting in dropout or stress for 4 whole years. They're not enjoying their 4-year study. Yeah, so the solution is we're going to make an app for it. So that's all for me. Anyone wants to add?
Yep, please. Group 1. Anyone else want to add? Very good.
Okay, to support Aurelia's point, I want to say about like how like everyone, when they graduate high school, a lot of us struggle trying to find the suitable university for us, right? Especially when it's like we only have like very short amount of time, and then usually after graduating high school, people just like bombard us with questions like, oh, where are you going to for university? What major you're going to take, and like what you want to be in the future, right? So I think like a lot of us, I'm sure it's not just me, like a lot of us feel very overwhelmed by this burden, like not only having to like choose through like so many universities that are available in our country and abroad, but also because, you know, just graduating high school, we're actually still very young, and like many of us aren't sure yet of our passion and like what it is that we want to do in the future. So this probably, I think in a lot of the cases, it leads to like mental health issues. Like we get distressed and we feel stuck in one place, we feel overwhelmed. And I think this is a very important problem that we have to give more light to, because as we all know, like mental health and physical health as well is important for like, so it doesn't disrupt our learning journey during university. So yeah, as Aurelia said, should I say about the solution?
So also, yeah, well, it's okay. I think Aurel already mentioned it just a little bit as well previously, so it's fine. Yeah, it's okay. But I thank you, Janice and Aurel. Yeah, I think the solution is, I saw it there. It's very good. You also put it on the small bracket on the far right. Another great idea topic. Anyone else from group 1 want to add to back up their friend? YOLO, panik. No, but it's very good. Yeah, it's very good. Honestly speaking, the first group on the right level, and this one is also on another right level. Honestly speaking, it's not easy to answer, dilemmatic, as well as honestly speaking, even me myself, I still have that problem until today. I have very small. Sorry, just so what I'm doing here, why I'm teaching you guys. Right. So, but it's totally right. A lot of students, well, we always wanted that sorting hat from Harry Potter, obviously. I'm pretty sure they're going to shout out Slytherin for me and Koirul, but right, but that's the main idea. It's not really an easy way to get that short answer. Even, sorry, is that too hot because we're in Venus? It's okay. Yeah, even honestly speaking, after all your first year, second year, I just give you the facts. I don't really like to sugarcoat anything. Some of you actually decided to like, kayak mendingan pindah jurusan deh, sir. Well, yeah, I'm from operations, so I handle those kind of stuff under me as well. So we cannot sugarcoat this kind of fact. So it's very good. Yeah. So at the beginning of the selection, during that very small time window, you have that chance to select the one that you really wanted. But there is also a dualism here. Sometimes you have to, just my 2 cents for the group, you also have to differentiate between career path and the university or education. Yeah, I always say this to my students. I'm sorry, it's becoming like my real PH class because I really like the topic. And this is problematic in my opinion as well, on a very light level. But you have to differentiate between, if you're a BMM student, gue ngeliatin si Ashley dan kawan-kawan. Just for example, in a BMM, we know in marketing, we have 2 ways of communication, traditional media and digital media. A lot of the study about comparing between traditional and kenapa tiba-tiba Omar jadi nyalain lagi? Traditional and digital media. The fact is, in the real life, in the real world, both of them are actually complementing one to another. Nah, also the same with career selection and education selection. You can actually study something that you really like, but it's not related to your education. Just to share, just later on, you might want to say either it's a career path or the educational part. That's what I see from the that middle part of your one frame. But just make sure it's clear which one you want to address. But it's very good, honestly speaking. You can be someone like me, for example. Not giving a solution, but this is an example. My day job and my night job or weekend job is totally different. And I'm not talking about that second group idea. No, but this is a legit one. But yeah. So just an example to all of you guys, yeah. But it's very good on the right level again. Any other comments? Anything want to add? Obviously, you can start with this. The solution you have read it by. Anyways, fine. We can see it again later. But just make sure for this group, sorry, very, very hot in my place. For group 1, Just make sure you decide between that career path or education, academic education. That's the only thing. But it's very good and a very light level. Again, contradicting as well, honestly speaking. A lot of our graduates, they're actually not working in the field that they're studying, but they still enjoy it. So it's just like, I look like a business guy. I actually teach statistics, research method, those kind of theory stuff. Usually I teach a lecturer, but my creative side tell me otherwise. And I have a lot of I built my professional life and my career in the creative area. If you heard about Baby Boss, Concept Magazine, those kind of a bomber or whatever. Yeah, right. So just an example, right? Very good. Aurel, Janice, thank you so much. But what about the other team? Anyone want to add? Enggak? Ayo lo, gue ngeliat Dava.
No, we have nothing to add, sir. It's fine.
Dilari, cuy. Dinda juga tadi gue lihat. Oh, just kidding. Right. So, yes, thank you so much for group one. Yep. To add. Yes, group one. Oh, ada good one is why last year I got some funky one. I haven't. Just 2 out of 5. Right. Next group. Thank you so much, group one. Yay. Okay, so any volunteer before I ask the no, just kidding. And any other volunteer? Thank you so much. Good, Janice, Oral, semua. Bagus ide kalian, honestly. Right, any other group? Any other group? Come on. The faster we get through this, the more time that you can work. Enggak. At least you can actually break out or do something else later on. Doesn't have to be today. Bagus ya, tapi honestly speaking, yeah, it's good idea. Those 2 topics are good so far. Very, very right level. I haven't seen anyone try to solve work hunger, which is good. Hint, hint. Yes, next. Any other groups want to present, want to share? Again, santai ya kayak tadi ya, bukan harus present yang gimana gitu. No. I just want to hear about your idea. It's like a show and tell. Any volunteer? We got the first group. We got the second one. So yeah, we only got like 3, 4, and 5. 3 you already called previously and you saved by group 1. Group 3 you want to go? Itu yang cowok semua itu makanya gue bilang. I'm looking at you, Omar. Amen. Amen. Okay, so it doesn't have to be like group 2. Ayo lo. But you want to share? Hannah? I think that one is from there. Sorry. Charlene? Rafael, come on. We need 3 more. I want to hear all possible problem. Again, sir, we haven't finalized it yet, so we just try to present it now, today, and we can further later discuss with my team. It's fine. But I want to hear about the 3rd, 4th, and 5th problem. Come on. So far, it's all good. Anyone else? Come on, join. Oh, it's very hot. Sorry. Come on, masih malu-malu nih. Usually in my class for my PH and EH, everyone's like, sir, I next, and udah ngetapin because you want to make it sure it's like finish as soon as possible and we can break out. So I don't know. Doesn't have to be another work, but at least you can finish for the day. So yeah, come on. FL pada ketawa nih. Biasanya emang kalau di kita sih PH udah semuanya rebutan. I don't know. Again, no judgment. I'm not. As you can see, the 2 ideas are very good so far. As you can see, I'm just going to give a feedback. Yeah. For example, the group 2, I give a feedback like you have to emphasize regarding that religion and that sex education as being a taboo. So that's interesting. Yeah, group 1, I give you a suggestion that you have to focus either on that selecting your career path or academic life. So it can be a 2 different things. Just an example. Yeah, for example, I want to be a startup business. I want to start my own business. So I have to be IB or BMM. Doesn't have to be. You can also be an BIS guy and have a startup, or I can be EIF guy, or GDNM or fashion. So many things. Yeah. So I don't know. Come on, any other one? Yeah, I know it's a little bit awkward because it's a mixed programs classes. Usually, previously my IB guys are like PMM. I go to com as well. So I haven't seen any com today. Any com student want to share? Kok sepi? Anak kom gue pada kemana cuy? Ada Keisha kan di sini? Oh tuh dia, that's Keisha's. Nasif. I already called them. Come on, next presenter. Ayo dong. Masa baru 2 nih? Come on. Just share like that. Or you're still creating that one page information, it's fine. Come on. Anyone else? Pada diem. Come on. Kok jadi awkward abis. Coba FL cek ke grup-grup sebelah. Apa gue doang yang kayak gini? Wow. It's okay. We can just take an idea and just share the idea. Arya mau share? Nggak mau lagi bocah. Okay, we have that volunteer. Shakira, thank you so much. You saved me, girl. Right. So Shakira, you want to share? I think Shakira is from that group 4 or 5, yeah? The last one.
I'm from group 5.
Yep.
Yes, and Rayhan
Floor's all
wants to
yours.
present the slide.
Awesome.
Or
Thank
the
you.
poster. We made a poster.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be poster even. Thank you so much. All the 2 or even yours later on, it might be already in the finish. Nggak nyangka gue kalian udah pada finish. It's good. Okay, please, floor's yours, Shakira.
Okay. Okay, so the problem that group 5 thought of was long distance relationships. So first we got inspired by actually my personal experience with my long distance relationship and how I thought how not many things are there to help with the problem. And especially now that Corona is here, so everyone technically is suffering from long distance relationships, right? So we can see that right now, because everyone's suffering from like COVID-19, there's not much adaptability, or there's limited things provided online to help with the psychology that has been impacted due to the Corona. So usually people right now are thinking about to go out, to go watch movies outside, to just go outside when you're not supposed to. So we thought it's like, oh, we have to solve the problem to make people comfortable to meet someone they love, or meet even their friends in an online environment from their houses or from wherever they are. Because now with like Omegle, people are meeting each other, or Tinder, they're meeting each other, but they're just meeting each other through online. And we thought maybe there can be more to facilitate things, to facilitate and encourage a better relationship, long distance relationship, especially with the facts that even if there's no COVID-19, what if like COVID-19 is solved? There's still like around 28 million people just in America suffering from long distance relationship. And with like everyone traveling around the world, we thought, well, we need to fix it. We need to encourage a way to encourage and provide with to the economy about how to make long distance relationships better to handle. Yeah. Oh, and this it's not only for couples only, it's also for friends, families, and all that. Yeah.
Wow, it's very good. Another good one. Thank you so much, Shakira and Rayhan. Rayhan is behind the scene, and I don't know what happened. It's like zooming, zoom out, iseng banget bocah. Shakira tadi kayak.
Yeah.
No, just kidding. Right. So, but it's very good. Another on the right level problem. Perhaps some of you might think, then if COVID's already if COVID already being settled, this won't be doing any good. No, it's still, honestly speaking, as Shakiras mentioned, and as she's presenting it, so for group 5, this kind of a relationship problem nowadays is getting more and more, how to say, subtle. I was like, it's more subtle. It's very hard to see, and sometimes, yep. All, for example, yes, long distance is one of the main cases, unless you like NTR stuff. Oh God, no. Sorry about that. No, I'm not talking about you, obviously, Shakira, but just an example. So it's really is a problem, right? So you proposing accordion, no, lucu ya, relationship called as accordion. But we have to face the fact that yes, COVID-19 is here to stay. This is what we call as a new normal. So although later on COVID is getting better, but still, this kind of an app will do a lot of things, honestly speaking. So, well, I haven't know about the app's detail, and I don't want to hear from now. I want to keep it as a secret. I want to hear it.
Okay.
Yep, more details later on. But this sounds quite interesting, honestly speaking. This is the first slide. I mean, the first page. I think you might have something else. But yeah, I also like the tagline, distance-based no in here. It's very interesting.
Yes.
But this is a real problem, though. I mean, although, and world is getting more global nowadays. Studying abroad is more, how do you say, it's becoming a common thing, more common thing. So a lot of more couple, not only about dating couple, but the real life, married couple, they're having this problem. I like it. I don't want to hear about the solution yet, but again, like usual, I want to be surprised. No, it's okay. I mean, group 1 tadi kan udah solution, so it's okay. The solution is still, in my opinion, is still fake, ambiguous, which is awesome. I like that level, including group 2. I know they already said apps lah, sir, si Omar. It's going to be an apps, and hopefully it's not another hub. Yeah, but but at least, yeah, I like it, accordion. So I remember going to your group 5 room, and I misheard about this. I actually heard about the discussion. So you keep through with that topic. Awesome.
Yeah.
Very good. Anything else want to add? Group 5, other group member, ayo. Oh yeah, group 2 and group 5. Don't forget to include your group names. Gue lupa kadang-kadang. No, I mean, also
there, sir.
No, G5, just G5.
No,
not the team
right.
member. No, that's not the team member. I meant you want to give a funny name to your group. It's okay. G5 is also good. Okay. Yep. I know the group member. I remember the group 5 when I came, and you're talking about this. Karena jauh. Okay, so you stay true to the idea. Very good. Awesome. Yeah, group 2 also staying true to their idea. Awesome. Anything else want to add, guys? Tadi ada Wendy nggak sih? Gue belum lihat. Ada. Arya mungkin. I don't know. Rehan is presenting. I'm going to ask you, Rehan. No, just kidding. Putri. So it's very interesting, honestly speaking. Anything else you want to add? Or I can just move on to that. Oh, okay. You already take out the screen sharing. It's all right. No? Nothing? Anything else you want to add for the team member? No? Another good level. I really like it. Okay, thank you so much. Shakira, Rehan, and group 5. Honestly speaking, 3 topic, and all of them are at the right level in my opinion. None of you actually trying to cater something that is already too easy or too obvious. This one is good. Another good. Psychological though, but yeah, let's see. A little bit heavier in my opinion, but let's see. Thank you so much.
Yes,
thank you so much. Tuh kan, Koirul udah sedih juga tuh. No more Netflix and chill. Exactly. No more Netflix and chill memes, guys. Okay, so perhaps later on they're going to create some kind of a, how to say it, a movie. I think a shared movie session. So you can actually eat on different places with your friend. I did it a lot with my friends with the boys. Usually on the Saturday night, we watch a lot of memes together just to meet together and just laugh at something, right? Honestly, actually, it's real. Right, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Nice. Okay, so only 2 group live. Come on, kita cepat aja. It's very good. Later on, no, so nanti udah cepat-cepat disuruh kerjain lagi. No, it might not be today. No worries. Yeah, you still have like 4 days to prepare for that solution, but I'm going to give you some quote-unquote wejangan. No, I'm just going to show you how problem and idea, sometimes the solution might be coming out from the craziest thing, honestly. Very good. Thank you. Yes, Shakira, Rehan. Thank you. And group 5. Right. And Putri and everyone. Yeah. Right. Anyone else? Come on. Group 4. Group 3. Ini yang tadi dipanggil malah kagak maju, cuy. Group 3.
Group 3, ya.
Tuh, asik akhirnya. Right, so thank you so much, Eman. You ready? Ada 2 cewek juga kan, nggak salah ya, forget. 1, 2, oh ya, ya. Cie, oh wow. I'm amazed with Eman's ini ya, profile picture. I should be wearing something like that, I think. Oh well. Thank you so much. Lah, right. Oh, sorry. I think I have to, yeah. Yeah.
Waduh.
It's okay. Take your time. We're here santai, honestly.
Tunggu.
I think I've seen the 1 page before. I've seen the 1 page when you first in switch. Mungkin salah buka aja, salah share screen.
Coba. Sebentar.
Yeah, take your time. Right. So again, 3 out of 3 are actually a home run. Very good. Honestly speaking. Tahun lalu kenapa gue dapet aneh-aneh? Why though? This is totally the right level ya. Some of you actually on the student life level, like that relationship, long distance, and then that selection of campus and sex education. I know you guys are quite adult to know about that kind of stuff, but then again, gitu loh. Pilih tuh yang dari kehidupan kalian. Gitu. Kemarin banyak aneh-aneh. Okay. Sorry about that. Obviously not in this room sih, yang anak-anak yang gabung. It's fine. It's fun though. Oh, but last year I also got a good one, the animal shelter. I love that. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. So we can see health tracking. Okay.
Health
nice.
tracking app.
This is from group 3.
Yep.
I remember the name. Yeah.
Issue in today's pandemic situation, many people are really afraid to have contact with others. Most people stay at home and avoid crowds. However, people are still using the app Gojek or Grab to fulfill whatever their needs. The problem is that this method isn't 100% safe because the online drivers might get infected and spread the virus. Currently, the applications check their driver's body temperature and whether or not they've been vaccinated. But that's not enough. They need to get the antigen test, the antigen swab test. For us, the customers' health and safety are our number 1 priority, and we are helping to raise social awareness. The solution we are making an app in collaboration with Gojek and Grab, and this app will showcase the status of the driver to the customer, whether or not they've taken any swab test for the past 3 days, a week. Displays their oxygen levels, heart rate, and temperature for ensuring the customer's safety. Further improvements, our plans is to expand our collaborations. We believe this will provide more opportunities to increase the livelihood in malls, markets, and public places. We would also like to arrange collaborations with the Peduli Lindungi app, the support the government. Plan to establish an app capable of monitoring health conditions of other people in our surroundings. Unlike our current feature, this collaboration will allow us to check the health status of other people. References. Nah, these are the references. Okay. That's
Okay,
all from me. That's all
thank you
from
so much.
me and group 3.
Group 3, yeah. Thank you so much, Aiman. Anyone else want to add first? Sarah, I think, Oman, and everyone's your actually on the group 3, right? If I'm mistaken. Tuh kan, ada Jojo, Kenneth, Ryan, Kevin. I remember this one is the 3BIS also moving there. And I also like it. You still keep through with the topic that you discuss in that room. I remember I going to that room and you discuss about it. I think it's also from me, yeah. Aiman, you also mentioned that. But yeah, Lovando, anyone else want to add from the BISCS student? Or I don't know, Jojo, Sarah, you guys are BMM, right? Anything else you want to add?
Sir, I'd
Yep.
like to add something.
Sure.
Just like what Ayman said before. So our case here is the health tracking app like before, which we will be collaborating with the Gojek and the Grab. And as previously mentioned, we'll have our further improvements there. So the further improvements here is the reason why we have a separate application from Gojek and Grab, right? So instead of using the features inside the Gojek and Grab and maybe adding like heart rate there, maybe a bit of the certificates there, putting there, it's a bit inefficient because we thought about the database while we have to make 2 separately for the Gojek and the Grab, right? So we make one separate app here. And as previously mentioned by Eman as well, we'll be working with the Peduli Lindung. So the Peduli Lindung here will have this feature with them where we collect the database from them and as well as give the database from them. So our app will have the results shown there. And if you guys know about Waze, you usually use Waze for GPS, right? It's a pretty good app where you can see someone else using Waze in front of your car. So if you have someone else in front of you using the same application Waze, you can tell them about who they are, right? Now this application that we're gonna build for the feature improvements is gonna have the same feature as that one. Well, you can see the person in front of you whether or not they are infected. So you can see their status, their health, the oximeter as before. So we use the oxygen level, heartbeat, and yeah, the certificate, the 3 days rule. We're planning to that for the future.
Nice save, Kenneth. Yeah, I just also want to make that remarks. I want to make that feedback, but you also directly save it from Ayman as well. So very good, Ayman and Kenneth. Very good. Yeah, group 3 also this one, you stick through with the idea. Sir, but it seems to listen dong is too practical. No, this is also on the right level in the sense of, remember, COVID is already here 2 years, guys. And we haven't got something like this until today, which is very, no, I'm seeing it from the perspective of the apps first. The apps of Tokopedia and Gojek. Yeah, I also agree. Yeah, so we need that kind of information from the Tokped or Tokopedia or Gojek driver or something like that, or Grab, whatever the online cabs that you want to mention. Yeah, but the main idea, I also like their consideration. Previously, I also think that why don't we just make it inbid? Perhaps for the very first step, it can be an inbid or additional feature, quote unquote, you try to sell it to them. Yeah, but then again, you also mentioned it has to be a standalone one, which is very good. So it's more like a tracker. Yeah, just like, I think it is also part of the Peduli Lindungi updates later on, although it's not as detailed as that. But for me, group 3, please differentiate between a feature update and your recent idea. I think your recent idea is already more than enough, honestly speaking. It's already good. Yeah, I know you want to update it into something more like a tracker, just like a Waze. When you go somewhere, you know where is the zombie, and you're like already prepared. Nice. You're gonna bash. No, don't do that. But at least you already know the surrounding everything. I think that's a future. But for now, even for any services that we try to, even honestly speaking, Peduli Lindungi or just a restaurant, a small restaurant can collaborate, such as when you go to that restaurant, they will actually give you that confirmation about their stewardess, about their chef. Yeah, if you actually buy some from McDonald's, they do it manually. You know, hi, my name is blah blah blah. My name is Echi. I'm serving you, and my temperature is for example. But this one is a modified and is an automatic one. Awesome. But careful, the tracker might be your future update. For now, you might want to just focus on developing the idea of this tracker. You see what I mean? It's not yet the tracker, it's not yet embedded into the map, but at least it gives information about the driver, the server, the chef, or whatever. It's already awesome, in my opinion, including the delivery guy. I also like the idea that future collaboration can JNE, Tiki, Si Cepat, whatever. That's exactly the point. It has a scalability. All of this idea so far, it has a scalability. Very good, honestly. Very good idea. So itu bukan terlalu baru ya COVID-nya. Again, no. Because in my opinion, COVID is already 2 years. This is not too recent. Yeah. So very good. Anything else from group 3? Very good. You can obviously move on again with this idea. All 4 groups presenting, you can move with the idea. So far, so good. Anything else you want to add? I don't know. Aiman, kamu tambahin Aiman? Torian atau apa? Siapa yang yes, it's very good.
No, I don't have anything.
Okay, Aiman, thank you. Okay, so it's very good. Yay, another good one. Iya, kalian kok ini ya. Your ideas are very membumi this semester, honestly. Very good. Either I don't know. Perhaps that year a lot of us still very, very confused and upset with COVID, and I'm actually delivering it through Zoom, but some of the ideas very, very, how to say it, very abstract or conceptual. So that's the difference. In here, I think you guys are really like, I want this. This is from my university. This is from my, relation. This is from my experience of sex education. This is what I experienced from my daily life. Very good. Very down to earth, this class. I'm really happy, honestly. Last but not least, group 4. The 4 of that. I don't know. Kita jadi nggak sih bikin group 4 waktu itu? I totally forgot. Sorry about that. I've always been doing that kind of stuff. I don't know. Any FL can help confirm back then. If I'm mistaken, I think Ken, you also there, right? Ingat nggak sih ada group 4 jadi kan ya? Kenji?
Sorry, kenapa ya baru dari toilet?
It's okay, Kenji. Sorry about that. Mudah-mudahan udah cuci tangan. Ew. No. If I'm mistaken, we have a group 4, right? If I'm mistaken. The group 4 is finally, they formed themselves, right? Kind of forgot.
Kayaknya ada.
Pecahan dari grup 2 atau apa yang kebanyakan. Grup 2 tuh banyak banget, kita pecah.
Yeah,
so, okay. Group 4. Anyone here from group 4? I already mentioned you can have the same idea with your friend, but perhaps the problem might be different, if you still remember. So, group 4. Kind of forgot, honestly. Oops. Any group 4 here? I'm also monitoring the time, by the way. By the way, I'm sorry, Aiman, I'm going to cut your presentation. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so okay, thank you. So I'm going to share mine back again. Just a gentle reminder before we're waiting for the group 4 final group. For whoever present, please present after this. Yeah, but the main idea is already on the very right level. For the next week, you're actually just expected to create some of your apps. And then you try to create that apps prototype. Again, it's not Marvel thing. You can make a simple of this is a sample of wireframe. You can make a simple wireframe, some logic behind it, some UI and UX. Obviously, the UX side is more interesting, the experience, the user experience side. And you can create some of this kind of a lo-fi. But if you want to search, kita bisa beneran bikin nih pakai Marvel. Up to you ya. But I don't really push you that far, honestly speaking. It's only like 4 days after this. But you can use whatever you want in that sense. You can create a lo-fi version like this, or take some picture and put it in some storyboard. It's also work. At the end of the day, at the end of that days, on the 24th, you just need to do this presentation. Sir, do I have, Kylo Ren? Oh no, cute. Right, so sorry about that. I just distracted with the pop-up. Right, so on the very last day, on the 24th, you just need to practice your presentation skill and you try to present it in a more good manner. So that time is also, the presentation is also matter. Yeah, it's a bit more formal if you ask me. Yeah, and then, sir, do I have to prepare a slide? Can we start from the idea that we have that picture? You can use that, but at this stage, we want to see some wireframe or lo-fi prototype. So that's the only difference. Okay, so group 4, we are waiting for you for your presentations. I also want to show you something after this. So just right after the group 4, I kind of forgot. If I'm mistaken, it's 4 or 6. We create too many rooms, and then the room 6, if I'm mistaken, is only filled with FL. I remember everything. Exactly. There's also Mabel back then, terus dia cabut, terus ada kalian semua satu-satu, ada Ashley juga ada. Oke. Sorry about that. But I remember that. So I think that's a group 6. So we don't have a group 6, but we have group 4. So any group who haven't present, please, this is your chance before we end. For you who just joined, please contact Kak Kenji, ask for the group's contact, and you can actually try to, how do you say it? Quote unquote, present yourself. You can actually try to sell yourself to be joining that group and contribute, obviously. Just for example, case of Justin. Right. Keisha?
Sir, hi.
Yep.
But I can't turn on my camera because I have some
It's
issues with it. Okay.
Totally fine. I don't really care. I also hate to see my ugly face on the camera all the time. So, you know, you can ask your FL who join my class. I usually like, gue gendut banget terus gue matiin. So moody.
Okay.
The floor is yours for group 4. Ini leher gue kenapa jadi ada 3? Oh, I can do that memes, right? I love you. God. Oh,
Sir, can you give me a minute to, my friend is going to present the poster.
Sure. No worry at all, Keisha.
Okay.
I just remember because we opened 6, what do you call it? We opened 6 group. And when I thought there was a students in the group 6, when I came and jumped in, suddenly it's like Zaki. Everyone, oh, I said, what? So yeah, just an example. I'm selling you guys. No, just kidding. You can always get back to me and tell them about who I really am, including that how I learned about that sex education thing. No, just kidding. Yeah. How do I know for the first time? Yeah, benar. I think they just told me. Yeah, exactly. Oh my God. I got a crazy family. Thank you, Kenji. Make sure you check the chat constantly, because a lot of information is only in the chat. And now Kenji also mentioning about the information from his side, so you can contact Kenji and ask them to join your group or get the contact of the groups ya, if you haven't got any group so far. Tapi kayaknya enggak deh, cuman 2 kalau nggak salah di kelas ini yang sudah belum masuk. And one of them already contact me through email, so no worries, I know. While we're waiting for Keisha, it's okay. Take your time, Keisha. It's okay. Honestly, when I say it, it's not ironic or ini sarcastic. No, I'm really mean it. No worries. But I just want to show you this. Whenever you're ready, you can cut my slide. Right. Okay. So I think that's the only things that you need to do on the last week. So you just need to sell your idea, and that's it. But before that, I'm just going to Ashley. I'm just going to share some informations here, like usual. Yeah. I'm just going to share some, how do I say it? Some hopefully take-home type of material. All courses, you have to ask yourself. Sometimes it's okay if the lecturer are open. You ask them, what is the take-home for this course, for this session today, sir, from you? Usually I'm going to share, oh yeah, so if it's not about you're not listening, but sometimes I talk many things and say, so what is the take-home? Well, take-home means the main idea that I try to convey, and I'm going to say it as is. That's always my method. I always do that kind of a review for the last week and I move on. Okay. Yeah, and sometimes it can be very fast for all freshmen, even including your FL. If you FL is just a second semester, so that being said, perhaps some of the lecturer sometimes can be quite slow, having a pace, but the other like, and suddenly already at the end of a slide. So you might want to ask them again. It's totally fine. I'm looking at you, BIS student. You know who I mean. 2 of my bosses there. One of my friend and one is my boss, Pak Wince and Pak Michael Sik. Cepat loh kalau ngomong. Or for GDNM, you'll be meeting Mr. Wildan. Wow, nice. Okay, sorry about that. So, hi. Wah, si Keisha punya channel. Gue ikutin lah. Ntar. It's okay, it's fine. Everyone nowadays have a channel. You don't want to see my channel, by the way. Oh, God. No.
Sus.
Yeah, exactly. Very sus.
Sus.
I actually put that during Pak Syamil formal presentation today, I remember. All right. Okay, Tusan. The floor is yours, Kay. Oh, sorry, Charlene's also sharing the screen. Sorry about that. Keisha and Charlene.
Hi, everyone. Can I start, sir?
Yes,
Hi.
please. Sorry, I was just reading. I'm sorry. Please, please, please.
Hi, I'm Keisha from Group 4, and I'm going to presentate about my application with my group that consists of my friends, which is Vinny, Vania, Keira, Margaret, Charlene, and Uni. So due to the pandemic, a lot of people have started experimenting with startups and small businesses, but not everyone have the technology and knowledge to run this online business. So our platform is established to assist them to manage their selling. And Vania is going to continue my explanation.
Okay, so we aim to help people with their small business to meet each other in the platform of like a market, so they will easily sell their goods on our website, and our customer will see and choose what products they want to buy from our website. So we want to help people due to the PPKM, yang there's so many level, then nowadays wherever we go we have to be vaccinated, and mungkin it will be harder for them to sell maybe yang setiap harinya sell di mall like clothes dan lain-lain. They can sell from our website. We also provide every city in our app, so all over Indonesia can access our website and goods. Thank you.
Right, very good, Group 4. This is also one of those idea that I remember haven't changed. You just perfected. Very nice. Yeah, I remember also having that discussion with Fanny and Kay. I remember this one. Very good. So here's the thing. What makes it hot? What makes it on the right level is actually because the pandemic and the startup. That's very good addition, honestly speaking. But sir, for example, your friend will from this class will say, but sir, itu kan udah banyak sir. For example, Goodstep. They're actually the one who try to curate or curator is like Bright Spot. They try to udah kangen banget ya ke Bright Spot guys. Aduh. Alright, so sorry about it. A lot of my friends in a Bright Spot. I'm also helping a lot of friends in Goodstep. I know Nadia, the general manager. Or also online base ada Thrift Drift in Bandung. It's totally new. It's 2021 Thrift Drift. So sir, their idea is stale dong sir, the basi. No. Why? Because the main idea is the two keywords, pandemic and startup. Perhaps it can be their main strength. Because a new startup, I also experienced it myself, in me and my family and friends who starting a business startup is very difficult. Sometimes that kind of a tier or level when you do that kind of a startup business, obviously. So you need person from the same level, just like playing a game. When someone's at the level 99 and you're still starting with level 10 or 9, you cannot, obviously, they're gonna whoop your ass, right? So obviously you need to play with that 10 to 20 level. That will be your main keyword for Group 4, honestly speaking, yeah, Keisha and Vania. Make sure you embed that word startup and the pandemic, because this is an online store, which is not many at the moment, because we know Bright Spot is an event, while that, Goodstep, ya sir, sekarang Goodstep udah banyak gak ada, yes sih, but then again, still, Goodstep is a curated market for those kind of a startup shop. but it's a physical one. So it's a very good idea to actually bring that idea into the new marketplace for a startup, honestly speaking. Again, I shouldn't be hearing about the solutions yet, but at least I got the main idea of your approach. It doesn't always mean that I have to see the solution, but sometimes I just want to know about your approach toward the problem, which is very good, honestly speaking. Right, group 4, anything else you want to add? Because I want to move on to a little bit of material and we just offer the day. I'm pretty sure not almost, I think all of you, I'm surely, I don't know about the the whole class, but I'm quite sure you know what to do for this class. I'm not really that worried. Usually I spend more time when I'm worried, like just last week, if you remember, I spend more time for you to actually be together in that group and discuss, because I'm afraid that you haven't know one another. But seeing that in the 10 days you can do this kind of a thing is awesome. The idea is very good so far. Oh, Charlene, kasihan ke. Right. Yeah, I know, sir, emang boleh cluster keluar masuk. It's totally fine because I know about First Media. I know about that Telkomsel and Jalur C that they just got beaten by the shark again. I don't know whether it's a shark this time, but yeah, that's the idea. Right. So, guys, thank you so much. Anything else you want to add, Group 4? I remember this idea is a perfected type of an idea, I remember. So a good combination between IB and business school and non-business school student. Very good. Anyone else want to add? Any questions? Before I move to a little bit of my slide, just a little bit. Oh God, what the heck? Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, I know you're already very fed up with this slide from me, but no worries. Just don't tell Juliana. I have another slide to show you actually. Just wait a bit. I have the following material that I usually use when I do a presentation to UMKM in Indonesia, in Jakarta. Not only Jakarta, I do it multiple cities. But I want you guys to listen a little bit about the take home bad idea. Sir, kayak take home mulu ngomongnya. Again, we have to do dao pao. We have to do a take home because we cannot eat in the restaurant. Right. Sorry about that. Right. So I just want to show you the following picture. Sir, ngapain sih nakut-nakutin, apaan sih restoran sepi ya, zaman sekarang restoran sepi. Well, yes and no. Yes and no. I came from a country, I came from a culture that when the restaurant open, they will be there for 100 years or more. Or we just call it as 50 years and less. Sorry about that. Give me a minute. Okay, sorry about that. I have to close my window a bit. Right. Okay. So I came from a country where when you go yearly to Japan, when you go to obviously I'm a Kansai guy. I came from Kyoto. My family house in Kyoto. I spent my childhood, like elementary school's days there for a couple of years, and when I go back there again as a high school student, that restaurant's still there. Or if you go to UK, you go to Netherlands, you go to Germany also, in my opinion, or Norwegia, obviously. Those restaurants stay there. But now you're in Indonesia, you're in Malaysia, you're in Singapore, you're in Hong Kong, you're in Taiwan. You have one favorite food at that street district, and 6 months later you come back again, it's gone. It's quite unique. So those are the country that's very, or Philippines, obviously. Those are the country that highly influenced by trend. And Indonesia is one of them. I have mentioned it like 10 days ago, right? So many trends Indonesia yang kemarin baru heboh, sekarang udah garing, udah basi, orang udah ninggalin. Some stays, but it's quite, it based on the taste and everything. So I cannot guarantee those kind of thing. Or is this picture, can anyone tell me what is this picture talk about? Not that one, this one. This is a real one. This is a real picture taken by one of my mentor, Pak Bagus Hanafi. He is an almarhum at the moment, unfortunately due to COVID, but he's a consultant and also my mentor. He took this picture personally. When I saw this picture, I said, "Sir, itu apa? Itu di Kuningan ya, Pak? Di SCB apa? What do you call it? I forgot the name. Epicentrum. Itu epicentrum ya, dekat rumah lo." Gue bercanda-bercanda ini. Saya, "No, I took this picture from when I was going to one of the European country, I forgot. Yeah, but this is the picture. So can anyone tell what can you tell about that picture? You can shout out or you can just chat. Yeah. In my class, I totally forgot to mention. You can just chat. I always do it all the time. I always monitor my chat. So again, you don't have to speak out loud. You can also chat. So in this picture, what do you see? What can you tell? Loh, saya salah buka ya dari tadi ya. Dude, seriously? No, you can see this picture, right? Okay. So this is the picture, first picture that I show you. So what can you tell about this? Blah, blah, blah. This is my material for UMKM Indonesia. Indonesia is trend-based. But this is a second picture that my colleague, Almarhum Pak Hanafi, is taking in Europe. I thought it was in Epicentrum. But what can you tell about this picture? Can anyone put on the chat or you can shout, whatever. Thank you, Zaki. Oh, Zaki FL itu mah. It's okay. Thank you so much. I love it when the FL also joining. What else? Skoirul ikutan. Anyone else? You can shout out. I love a crazy, uncontrolled room. Usually in my class, you can check BIS Project Hatcher. Everyone like shouting, sir, rebutan. Mabel tanya Mabel. They were like, sir, I want to add. It's fine. I love it. I know this one is a freshman. You guys are still new. Masih baru, masih malu-malu. It's okay. Apalagi ada Kak Koirul. Aduh, ganteng banget Kak Koirul. Oh. Ouch. Sorry about that. Anyone want to share? So what you can see, Zaki, your Kak Zaki is actually mentioning, there's a habit it's hard to get rid of. What else? This is good. But we have a CSIS student here. We have Kenneth, I've seen Rio. So anything else you want to share with me is about user experience or a design student. A lot of your design students here, right? So I don't know, anything else you want to share, including fashion, for example. I don't know, anything you want to share, anything you want to mention here, seeing this picture. Oh, Kenneth, thank you so much. Very good. Sorry, Kenneth, request your permission to speak out loud here. Kenneth mentioned content is more important than aesthetic. I like it. What else? It's very good. It's very good. What else? Very good. He mentioned content is more important than aesthetic. Content as in experience, yeah? Very good. What else? Sometimes you think that this picture only happening in Indonesia. No, in reality, it happened in Europe. This one is taken from Europe. So there is a design there. Let me just use my annotation. Kenapa saya belum pakai annotation selama berhari-hari ini? I totally forgot about this feature. Sorry about that. I'm the freshman. Right. So we already have this beautiful paved road. Yeah. This beautifully paved road and this kind of a thing is just on the riverside and there's a flat. This is a real flat, by the way, where he stayed. So this is a very nice area. But then again, there's a people who still just potong jalan. Sir, itu mah Indonesia kali, sir. Lihat depannya orang Indonesia. No, this one is real. This is from Europe. This is a Westerner. Why? Yeah, some of them you already mentioned. So Zaki's habits hard to get rid of. And Kenneth mentioned content is more important than aesthetic. Right. In my opinion, this is also mentioning about the user experience and our design. I bet most of the... Okay, Janice, very good. Sorry, permission to read out loud as well ya. Ada stongnya segala deh. Ditambahin stong, boy. Alright, sorry about that, Janice. Complicated user interface, so experience is actually declining. Exactly. I couldn't put it even better than that. Kenneth, Janice, and Zaki's answer put together, that's exactly what this picture is all about. You have a good pavement and everything. So we did a survey back then. We did an empathy, and we actually asked some of the people who are quite friendly enough for us to be questioned. And we asked, sir, sorry, why do you actually take that road? And they just always gave the same reply. And we also make some cheesy remarks such as, but it's rain, back then it was raining, but it's raining, that part is bad check. Don't you feel sorry for your shoes? Something like that. We actually do that kind of a social experiment. And they all mentioned, no, because my house is there. I have to cross that area. So why do you want to go here? No, I don't want to go here. Obviously, it can save me like 2 or 3 minutes. They believe that strongly. So they go to the supermarket, they go to near drugstore, drug chain, and what do you call it, convenience store, and when they just pass this road. I think that's human, but that's at the same time that's very plausible. That's very, I can relate. You know what I mean? Not only being Indonesian, my Japanese side, I will just follow this route. I'm not kidding. I always do that. So square. But yeah, but then again, a lot of people just do this. This is an example. Another story, I think. Thank you so much, yeah, Zaki, Janice, and Karen. This is an example of this one. We've seen this a lot of time, and this is happening 2013, but it still work here even until today. Why? 80 to 90% new product launch fail. Why? Most likely, we have a tendency of building a solution first. But sir, if you don't have a solution, we have nothing in our head regarding what we're going to achieve. Right. I'm not saying you cannot start with solution. No. I'm just saying, oops, sorry. I'm just saying sometimes our solution, it just actually hit the trees, the leaf, the area that we can see, but not really the major problem or the major cause. I'm not trying to be, how do you say it, Zen or philosophical here, but that's the reality. All in all, this design thinking course here, we are trying to ask you to create a solution based on user experience, based on what your future user will be able to do or will be able to do something. In that sense, I know most of you, I think all of you, all of the 5 group already have a solution. But my task for the next 4 days, before you finalize your solution, try to ask your friend, try to ask your family, try to ask your little sister, little brother, okay, big sister, big brother, whatever you want to ask, your family, your friend, your group member. Perhaps they also have someone who's working in that area, who's actually a professional in that area. Might not really the sex education, but you can also ask your friend, not really your family, your friend's family. Bad idea. Right, but the main idea, you should be able to get some empathy in the sense of please WA them, text them, line them, Telegram, whatever you're using, or make a short phone call, make some very quick note from your conversations. For example, you met your sister and ask, Kak, kalau menurut Kak waktu dulu milih SM, waktu milih kuliah, when you actually selecting your bachelor degree, what happened? Is it actually appropriate with your work and blah, blah. You do that kind of a thing. Or the sex education one, it's totally fine. You ask your friend. So when was the first time you know about it? How do you learn about this? Oh, you know what? I found this DVD. I want this CD and I watch it. Oh, boys. Right. So, or something else. I don't know. Oh, okay. I'm not sexist, so I just put the other way around. For girls, please don't get that education from your BL manga. Bad idea. That's not how it works. Right. Okay. So, oh my God, Belle. Right. So, in that sense, you have to interact. You have to actually try to touch your future respondent, your future user. You're also I think you yourself are currently the user of those apps. For example, Kenneth, Ayman, when you actually buy those Gojek, Tokopedia, have you ever afraid to go outside and receive the package from Tiki, JNE, Gojek, you name it? Personally,
sometimes before I
exactly. Kadang habis ambil cuci tangan, sanitizer, or even wearing some glove. So you can ask. So do you think, for example, you can ask your family, Bu, kalau misalnya when we have this kind of an additional apps in that ini, will you actually be using it? Nah, you start from those kind of a thing and try to ask for the response. What else? What other features? What other function? What other things that you want to know about from your sex education app? What do you think you want to know from that major selections apps? What do you want to know about that apps, Gojek or Tokopedia tracker device, and so forth until the end, and a business startup or the long distance relation. I'm sorry, I'm not asking you guys to ask your ex about it. No, bring a new leaf and ask someone else, or just your boyfriend, girlfriend, current, and whatever. But at least try to get an idea, including for a married couple. For example, if you have Me, myself, I'm a married man, but I rarely been with my wife, honestly speaking, because I go all over the world for a long time, and I always keep moving, for example. So, just an example. So, sir, pernah ada lonely night gitu nggak? Pastilah. Pijat, sir. No. Right. But at least it's not Indonesia, by the way. I'm not talking about Indonesia. And I'm not also involved in that Vietnam karaoke in Singapore. No. No. Right. But those are the main idea. So Kenneth was also asking, can we take a survey literally? Almost like a survey, but you don't have to create a questionnaire. You can make it open-ended. You just need to get the feedback from them. Why? Because this course, design thinking, project hatchery, entrepreneurship hatchery, whatever you call it, at the end, I'm teaching you, I'm not guaranteeing you how to make a success. We know 80 to 90%. Sir, I punya keluarga, I punya kakak, I punya saudara. They started a startup, they started an apps, tapi nggak laku, sir. Padahal mirip tuh sama Tokped, padahal mirip sama Gojek. Kenapa ya? Or for example, why there is what Blibli? We have a Blibli, we have a Tokopedia, we have Lazada, we have Shopee. Kok ada yang lebih laku dari yang lain? We have Bukalapak, for example. Or Yellow Cab. We have a Yellow Cab. We have that. Sorry. Yellow Taxi. My bad. Was from New York, and I'm still like yellow cabbing. Sorry about that. So yeah, we have a Yellow Taxi in Indonesia. We have the green Gojek. We have the blue Gojek. We have the yellow one. Even I bet you haven't heard about the yellow one. So this is an example. Some startups are thriving very good, while the other almost similar model, almost similar flavor, but they don't really capture the market. So, sir, why do we learn about design thinking anyway? Can you guarantee a success? I cannot guarantee a success. I can actually teach you how to make less mistake. Some of the main point is actually, before you go with an idea, before you go with I want to go this way, you might want to check around first. That's the very first thing. It's just like a real life. It's just like when you want to buy that PS5, when in 2021, you decided to buy a Nintendo Switch finally, and then you ask your friend, you ask your review, you go to a forum, you go to your Discord and ask, is it still worth it to buy? Or even you go to YouTube and ask YouTube, hey Siri, hey Alexa, do you think, is it still worth it for me to buy a Switch in 2021? Just an example. And I will say yes. Okay, so just an example, right? So this is things that we know, we have done it before, but when it's becoming a course in the university, is becoming a little bit like something strange. Although I bet you already know how to do it. So I highly suggest each one of you, well, oops, sorry. I'm not asking you to do that too far for this course. Honestly, this one is just a preliminary introductional type of a course, but the main idea, you might want to do that process. Yeah, for example, before you go with that apps to sort your, whether you're a Gryffindor, Slytherin, or Hufflepuff, you might want to ask it again. I mean, what do you mean sih, sir? Dari tadi ngomong kayak gitu, it can be fun, it can be crazy. It can be out of the ordinary. Let me give you an example in this video in 5 minutes. Yeah, I just want to ask you guys first. Guys, freshman, first semester of a class, quite awkward, right, to make a new friend. Am I right? Especially in this kind of a class when it's being combined with everyone. So a lot of you doing this, and even your FL is doing this. Even more awkward, sir, because I find some of my freshmen and she looks cute and I'm still, okay, don't do that. Right. So in that sense, sometimes the best idea doesn't come from the direct answer that's in front of your eyes. Perhaps your app selection, major selection, it can be a games. It can be a quiz. One of those quizzes that you take to decide what kind of a bear are you? What kind of a regular show character are you? I'm Benson. Not just kidding. I'm cooler than that. Or what kind of Adventure Time character are you? I'm the Lich, the snail form. Right. So those kind of a thing. So, or which Marvel character are you? Which DC character are you? I'm Polka Dot. Oh God. Okay. So let me show you a video. But before I show the video, guys, do you have any idea this is a very classic business school type of a challenge, design thinking, project hatchery. Unlike last week, Waveboard, Treeboard, I actually inside that team, but this one, I'm not inside this team, honestly speaking. This is for another business school, but they have a very good idea. Remember last week, how to make people wear safety jacket, drown them, provide a drink that actually consists of seawater. Just an example, crazy campaign. But now I have another question. How to make people want to talk one to another as a freshman? Any idea? The video is very quick, no worry. Any idea? You can shout, you can share, you can put on the chat. And I'm looking at, it's like one of those horror movie from Ayman Srin. Ding, 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 ding. Nah, see, that's the victim. So yeah, the Twin Peaks is close. No, just kidding. So any idea how to make people want to join or talk one to another, becoming from being a total stranger, and you want to talk one to another? Any idea? Any context? I don't know. Just throw me some wild idea. I want to hear. I want to hear. You pay them. Nice. That's logic. From Kenneth, you pay them. Okay. Wow. We got it. Reward from Ash. Okay, so play 20 questions. Yeah, you force them. I like Kenji's answer. Aurel, did I offend you with that? Kayaknya dosa gue tadi manggil Aurel. Just kidding. Ya, Janice will see your answer again later. Whether you like it or not, that might be the answer. Kok bisa sih kalian ngejawab? Apa udah nonton videonya? Belum kan? Play 20 question, I like it, that's fun. Reward for answering, obviously. Thank you so much, Omar. Including Kenneth, you pay him. You pressure him, Kenji, we just keep that answer as well. But Janice, see, this is a design thinking course. Sometimes the craziest answer that get left is becoming implemented. Sir, what do you mean by that? You really put them in jail? Let me show you a video. It's not really a jail. This is not a battle royale, but almost like a battle royale concept. This business school is the one who collaborate with us in Indopet with Binus. I'm not kidding. This is their idea, and I was mind blown when I first watched this video back in 2013. Let us. Sorry about that. A little bit of commercial. I know, sir, at the end, kok ada commercial lagi itu. So, just like the Freeboard one, the idea was first there. So, thank you so much, Janice. That's the jail. The jail is actually just your regular university. Those freshmen, they cannot go. This is real. I got the first data from the first hand, the one who actually did this experiment. The jail was their school. They cannot go outside of the school. That's a university, by the way. Sorry about that. That's a business school. Oh, serius? Bukannya jam 5? Saya salah tangga jam ya? Oh my God, thank you so much, Kevin, Kenji. I thought, oh my God. My bad. I thought it was, Irma told me it was 5 until 5 p.m. Okay, just very quickly.
Udah jam 5.
Sumpah demi Allah. Gue dikasih tahu sampai jam 5. Okay, okay, sorry about that. I think some missing point. Very quickly, the jail is the classroom. The jail was the class at the university. They cannot go outside, but to make them talk, they actually create. Well, it's a high budget, but they got sponsored. They got that Coke that can only be opened when the A and B cap is being met. Thus making you, whether you like it or not, you're gonna talk with another. They close the cafeteria. They don't bring a meal. Back then it was just, before the pandemic, so we don't bring food and drink. It's very interesting type of experiment back then. So ada nggak tuh yang forever loan? Ada sih. When they said to me, there was some loaner that still like take one from point A and they move to point B and take and they open it themselves. Oh God, forever loan. But it happened, right? So the take home from here is please double check with your friend and family, double check about your idea before you present on Friday. Nonetheless, I bid you only the best, okay? Godspeed with your idea on a Friday. On Friday, you just need to present to me. Perhaps I'm going to invite someone who is interested if you want to show your idea. And later, I'm just going to select a champion from this class and report it to CIDR. Really sorry about the time. I thought I will have, honestly speaking, Kenji, I honestly think I have until 5. That's what on my schedule, honestly speaking. I think perhaps I got the wrong one. They block me. Yeah, serius. Gue nggak tahu, sumpah demi Allah. Gue tahu tadi jam 5, gue pikir aku on time. Atau 20 menit. Okay, so thank you so much. Please do your best in creating that idea.